Did you know that responding to a lead within the first few minutes can significantly increase your chance for the conversion? Yet many businesses still rely on manual replies, causing delayed and missed opportunities. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. This video is day 3 of our special series on capturing and qualifying leads, where we show you how to automate your lead management process and respond smarter, not harder. So in today's tutorial, we are going to build a powerful automation that sends WhatsApp business template message directly to the Typeform entries. So no manual efforts, no waiting, just immediate professional communication that help you manage your leads. So now let's firstly take a quick look over the automation which I have already built in by integrating both these applications, that is Typeform and WhatsApp Cloud API. So now as soon as I will receive a new Typeform entry, a WhatsApp message will be sent to my leads. So now let me show you how you can create it. But before that, let's test the real-time working of this automation. So now for that, let's move on towards my Typeform, and here I'm going to fill this form providing first name as Smart, last name as user, email address as smartuser@pabblytudes.com, the phone number as well, and here I'm going to enter my city as Bhopal. And now let's submit this form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. So here we have successfully received a new entry over our Typeform. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check whether a template message is sent to the lead or not. So here I'm landed to my WhatsApp, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving this template message which says, "Hi Smart, we have received your form submission successfully. Here are your details." And here I'm getting the same full name, that is Smart User, email smartuser@pabblytudes.com, the phone number and the city as well. So this shows that as soon as I've received a new Typeform entry, a WhatsApp template message is sent to my leads. So now you can also create this amazing automation for capturing and qualifying your leads. So now let me show you how you can create it, and for that you have to access Pabbly Connect. But if you are planning to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code and take your business to the next level with the help of automation and Pabbly. Now for accessing Pabbly Connect, you have to open the new tab and type its URL. That is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where I am going to access this Pabbly Connect app, as I am going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder, then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch, then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow, then you can select this option of create using AI. But I am going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I am going to select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I am providing it the name, send WhatsApp business template message for new Typeform entries, and here I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here I'm landed to my workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is our first application or the application which initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a new entry is received over my Typeform. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Typeform. So now let's search for it. So here you can see I'm getting this application, and now I'm going to select my app event as new entry. Now let's click over this connect button, and here if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you have to select this button of add new connection. And here I'm going to just click over this connect with Typeform, and make sure to log in your Typeform account firstly for building a smoother connection. And here it is asking me to allow the access, so I'm going to just click over this accept button as my data is safe with Pabbly. And here my connection has been built in, and we are getting this field for selecting the form. So here I'm going to select the form, that is lead form, by using which I'm going to receive the new entries. So here in my Typeform you can see this is the lead form by using which I'm going to get my new leads. And afterwards I'm going to select my response format as simple. Now let's click over the save and send test request button, and here you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to receive a new entry over our Typeform. So now let's move on towards my lead form, and here I'm going to receive a new entry by providing the first name as demo, last name as user, email as demoUser@pabblytunes.com, phone number, and afterwards I'm going to enter my city as Bhopal. Now let's submit this form as we have filled all these details, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the data or not. So here you can see I'm landed to my Pabbly Connect where 10 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, with all the fields and the details of the lead or the new entry which I have recently filled over my Typeform. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now we just have to send template message to our this entry. So for that we have to use our action app, that is WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I'm going to just select this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for the WhatsApp Cloud API which is going to be my action app. So here you can see I'm getting this application, and now I'm going to select my app event as send template message. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button, and here we are getting a new connection name, and here it is asking me to enter the token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So for getting this token you can take the help of this help desk which will provide you documentation containing the videos and steps for getting your token and setting up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And here you can see these videos, and you can even check the steps given here in this documentation. But as of now I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards my API setup page. So here you can see I'm landed to my API setup page where we are getting this option for access token. So I'm going to just click over this generate access token, and here I'm going to select my Facebook account. So now let's click over this reconnect, and here you can see I'm getting my access token which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. And now let's get our phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID from the API setup page. So here I'm getting the phone number ID which I'm going to copy and paste, and now let's get our WhatsApp business account ID. So here I have got it, and now we just have to click over the save button as we have added all these details and our connection has been built in so smoothly. So the first field we are getting for entering the receiver's phone number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter the receiver's phone number, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my receiver's phone number from the response which I'm receiving from Typeform. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous application. So from the Typeform entry, I'm going to map the phone number of my lead. So here I'm getting the phone number which I'm going to map, and afterwards we are getting this option for entering the template ID. So for getting the template ID, let's move on towards my API setup page, and here we are getting this hyperlink that is for create your own template which I'm going to select. And here we are landed to WhatsApp Manager, where you can see these message templates. So here I'm going to select this message template having the ID confirmation. So now let me show you the insights of this template. And here you can see this is the template which I'm going to select. So now from this drop down, let's select the template ID as confirmation. And now it is asking me to enter the language code, which I'm going to enter it as EN, which is the language code for English language. And now it is asking me to enter the template name. So as you will refresh this field, you will get the same template name as your template ID. And now it is asking me whether my template has header, and as you can see my template doesn't have any header, so I'm going to keep it as no. And afterwards, for the header type, I have to enable the map button and leave this field blank. And now we are getting these fields which are not necessary, and this field says template has body, and as you know my template has body, so I'm going to select yes from this drop down. And now we are getting these fields for entering the variables. So on my message template I have created some variables by using which I am going to send personalized message or personalized template message to my customers or the leads. So here you can see these variables, that is name, email, phone and full name and city. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, and here I am going to map the first name from the response of my Typeform. So now let's map it, and afterwards I'm going to map the email address of my lead from the response. So here you can see I'm getting this email which I'm going to map, and now let's map the phone number. So here I have mapped the phone number. Now let's map the full name. So here I have mapped the full name. Now let's map the city. So here I have mapped the city as well. And now we are getting this field which says template has button, and as you know my template doesn't have any button, so I am going to keep it as same. Now if you remember, on the receiver's phone number field I have mapped this phone number, but I am going to replace this phone number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I am receiving from my WhatsApp Cloud API. So I am going to remove this phone number, and here I am going to enter my phone number. So here I have entered it. Now let's select our save and send test request button. So here I have clicked over this button, and as I have clicked over here, I am getting a positive response, which means a message might be sent to the receiver's phone number. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check it. So here I am landed to my WhatsApp, where you can see I am successfully receiving this message which says, "Hi demo, we have received your form submission successfully. Here are your details." And here I am getting the full name of my new entry, that is demo user, email demouser@pabblytudes.com, the phone number and the city. So now you can see that within few minutes I have built in an automation which is sending WhatsApp template messages to my Typeform entries. So now you can also do so by using Pabbly Connect, and you can build many more integration by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.